In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up locations in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the top right corner for the settings icon shown as a gear. Click that icon to open the settings menu, then select Account and Settings. This opens the area where company-wide preferences are managed, including category tracking options that affect how transactions can be organized across the file. Once you are in Account and Settings, move to the Advanced tab. The tabs appear along the left side of the settings window, so if you land somewhere else first, select Advanced to continue. In this section, scroll until you find Categories. This area controls options related to organizing activity inside QuickBooks Online, including classes and locations when those features are available in your subscription. In the Categories section, click Edit. This opens the editable settings for category tracking. Look for the option labeled Track Locations. When you find it, turn it on. If the setting is currently off, selecting it will enable location tracking for the company file. Make sure the switch stays enabled before moving on, since the rest of the setup depends on this setting being active. After turning on track locations, click Save. QuickBooks will store the change and apply it to the company settings. Once the save is complete, click Done to close the Account and Settings window. At this point, location tracking is enabled, but no individual locations have been added yet, so the next part is to create the first location entry. Go back to the settings icon in the top right, click it again, and this time choose All Lists. This opens a list management area where QuickBooks keeps names and categories used throughout the company file. From there, select Locations. If location tracking was just enabled, this list should now be available. Open it, then click New to add a location. A form will appear for the new location. Enter the location details needed for your business using the name you want QuickBooks to display when assigning transactions or running reports by location. Review the entry before saving so the name matches the way you plan to use it across your records. If you need multiple locations, the same New button is where each additional one will be added after the first. With location tracking turned on and the locations list open, your QuickBooks Online company is now set up to add and manage locations. Your new location setup in QuickBooks Online is now ready to use.